And now, the host of Talk About Topeka.
Fake meteorologist Chris Schultz here in Studio 10 with your weekend fun forecast. Kids ages 5 to 10 can learn all about bugs this Saturday at the Topeka Library. Head to the Sabatini Gallery between 9 a.m. and noon and look for educational clues. Find them all and earn a prize, which library staff tells me won't be something living, thank goodness. But if the idea of bugs grosses you out, well, how about turtles? The Kansas Children's Discovery Center is having a special Turtle Time event this Friday and Saturday with sessions at 11 and 2. I'm told it will not include a demonstration of the turtle as nature's suction cup. Down at Topeka Civic Theater, this is the final weekend of Red, White, and Tuna, the Southern fried satire where two people cleverly play over a dozen roles. The show starts at 8 p.m. on Friday and Saturday, which is the same time that Pageant Play opens on their other stage. It's a comedy taking an exaggerated look at child beauty pageants, which, well, let's be honest, are pretty surreal already. And just like the real thing, there's plenty of strong language and adult themes. Parental discretion is advised. Dale Easton's The Drunkard, Topeka's most infamous vaudeville melodrama, is showing at the Break Room this Friday and Saturday evening. It comes with a terrific dinner menu, and you won't find a more seasoned cast anywhere. Get your tickets now at breakroomdowntown.com. There's professional boxing and MMA fights at the Expo Center this Saturday at 6:30. There's no storylines, drama, or pyrotechnics here, just the pure sport of precise bludgeoning. Find tickets at ksexpo.com. As usual, this Sunday at 7 is a free concert in the Gage Park Amphitheater, but this time you can get there an hour early to join the Topeka Jazz Workshop Band fundraiser. It's a 5K run or 2-mile walk with dinner included. Well, just not exactly at the same time. Well, that's how you get cramps. You listen to your mother? But if jazz isn't your cup of tea, country groups Judy Coder and Double Trouble will be playing at Lake Shawnee's Inslee Gardens. That's from 6:30 to 8. For everything else going on, check out the Topeka newsletter on our website, talkabouttopeka.com, where you can also see our past episodes and see new episodes every Tuesday night at 9:30 on MyTV. I'm Chris Schultz. Keep talking about Topeka.